Running out of storage on your phone is one of the most frustrating problems. You want to take more pictures, install new apps, or record videos, but your device keeps screaming, "Storage almost full." And the last thing anyone wants to do is delete their precious photos and memories. But here's the good news: you don't have to delete your photos to free up space. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to clear storage while keeping every single memory safe. First, use cloud storage. Apps like Google Photos, iCloud, and OneDrive automatically back up your pictures and videos. Once they're safely stored in the cloud, you can free up space on your phone by removing local copies. The best part? You can still access them anytime with an internet connection. Second, clear app cache and temporary files. Many apps store unnecessary data in the background, eating up gigabytes of space. Go to your settings, find Storage, and clear cache from apps like social media, browsers, or streaming services. This won't delete your photos or personal files, but it can instantly free up valuable space. Third, use storage management tools. Both Android and iPhone have built-in features that suggest large files, unused apps, and duplicate items you can remove safely. On Android, it's called Files by Google. On iPhone, check iPhone Storage under Settings. These smart tools make it easy to clean up without touching your photos. So remember, when your phone says, "out of storage," don't panic and start deleting memories. Just back up to the cloud, clear out junk files, and use smart storage managers. You'll have more space for new apps, videos, and of course, more photos, without losing a single one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.